the most effective method to earn money listening to music on MusicXray. MusicXray.com. We all love listening to music. Consider getting paid when you listen to music. Doesn't it feel great knowing that you can earn money on MusicXray.com by listening to music at home? I will advise you how to earn money listening to music at home. MusicXray.com is the site that gets you paid for your relaxation time by making you listen to music at home. You can earn extra cash on MusicXray.com by basically listening to music at home without having to strain to complete work on time. MusicXray is an online arena for music audience members and artists who love to listen to various types of music and make money on MusicXray with your time spent on it. Listening to music is something that makes us feel calm while gaining more weight as a main priority. So by tuning in to numerous different types of music, it is something new in our brain, but it also gets you paid on this site. MusicXray is a kind of skills search site that interacts with specialists and members of the music audience. MusicXray is a music technology organization based in New York. Since MusicXray gives you cash for listening to their music, you may feel like you have to listen to all the melody ratings, regardless of whether you like them or not, to get paid. If you are logged in via Facebook, MusicXray will search for your musical tastes and provide you with more melodies with the classes you like. MusicXray will list a huge amount of the latest music from those classes that you chose to listen to. Be that as it may, you can make money with MusicXray basically by sitting at home tuning to music through MusicXray. These specialists can transfer their different types of melodies through MusicXray and make others feel their music. MusicXray encourages specialists to create a wide range of fans for their music. Fans or members of the music audience can also join the record as fans of those artisans to tune in to their favorite tunes. MusicXray pays members of the music audience who have invested their energy in tuning the music for the advancement of those artisans around the world. In the event that the music exceeds 30 seconds, at that time the audience will be paid for each of the 30 seconds spent listening to that specific music. Since we are focusing on the best way to get cash by tuning in to music on MusicXray, we will examine the audience side. You can be a part of MusicXray as a music fan, artist, song owner, or you can be an industry professional. Since we are members of the music audience and since we pointed out in this article the most competent method to earn money tuning music on MusicXray, we can choose Music Fans. This is done as such, on the basis that while you pair your MusicXray account with Facebook, they will have the option to discover your music preferences. These subtleties are so because the performers whose music we are going to lean on could understand the individual to whom the venue is tuned. After completing each of these subtleties, you should choose 5 types of music that you like to tune into. Also, you can choose specific groups that you like to listen to music to help you bring cash home. Once you complete the choice of your musical tastes, then proceed to your preferred specialists and then click on the Save button. MusicXray will list only the music specialists you have chosen and the class you chose. Now start making money on MusicXray without reservation by listening to music from home. Right now, check your Fan Coordinate inbox to see if there are any new music records available to you. If so, start listening to your music and get cash on the web. If there is no new recorded music in your inbox, at that time you must wait for one to transfer, or you can most likely change your music type or craftsman. When any new music of your choice is transferred, at that time you will have the option to see it in your inbox posts. You must tune in to the music recorded in your inbox for at least 30 seconds. After you have tuned into a melody, there you can see a speech box with a shaded green background, getting information about your assumption about the music you heard a few seconds ago on MusicXray. Members of the music public who receive this delivery have the option of paying the sum on numerous occasions. Conclusion: MusicXray is a kind of skills search site that has been registered with the BBB for all music lovers all over the world. They make you pay at home in your spare time when you tune into their music. Be that as it may, you can get your cash back in a better than average sum after a long time listening to his music incessantly. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.